This role is for an outbound sales development representative with Muckrack, and they're a leading SaaS platform for public relations and communications professionals. And they are looking for someone to join their sales team to generate opportunities through outbound outreach. And a bit of the responsibilities include prospecting leads via email and phone to schedule meetings in order to meet and exceed established quota, manage and overcome objections from potential buyers, establish efficient systems to reach out to companies in a creative way, track PR industry news to identify outreach opportunities, organize and assign leads through Muckrat's CRM while maintaining accurate records, activities, and reports, as well as perform creative ways to engage target accounts using Muckrat's proprietary tools. They're looking for someone with 1 year of experience working in SaaS as an SDR or 1 year of professional experience in a PR role. This is a look ahead to the interview process, and the salary is $53,000 with $68,000 plus in OTE. And if you're looking for assistance or strategy for your dream job remote work search, we'd love to help you. Take a look at the link in our bio.